Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn the use of modal verbs. First of all, I will tell you the definition of modal verbs. कि modal verbs होते क्या हैं? A modal verb is used with a main verb to express possibility, ability, permission or necessity. Modal verbs होते कौन कौन से हैं? Can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. First of all, we will say where we can use the word can. We can use the modal verb of can with ability or request. Here we see the example. She can play the Ludo. Can I help you? Could. The use of could is with polite request or conditional. इस एग्जाम्पल हम देखते हैं. Could I borrow your notebook? May. May is also used with polite request or estimation. May I come in? Might. We use the modal verb might with possibility. It might rain tonight. Must. We use the modal verb must with obligation or estimation. I must be there. I must warn them. Shall. Shall is used with future or mandatory advice. I shall go there. They shall get married. Should. Optional advice. He should go to the doctor. Will. Will is used with future tense. She will do her work. Would. Would is also used with conditional or polite request. Would you help me? Hope you get it, guys. Thanks for watching.